Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things where you like to make at home. You know what, man? Sometimes I normally like to give my fans them some simple and very easy quick recipe where they can do things at home. You know, a lot of people try to get rid of weight and healthy eating and all these things. But as I say, I'm here to help some of my fans them. Guys, please do your own research. Apple cider vinegar and some lemon and water. And I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely drink. When you make this drink, you need to drink one in the morning or during the day, if you like, but on an empty stomach is better for you. Alright? So, today we want to make a weight loss drink. We're going to use apple cider vinegar and lemon water. Alright, guys? So, first thing what we're going to say, right over here, I'm going to tell you how much water I have inside of this. I got 500 ml. That means it's a bottle of water. Alright, guys? I have a bottle of apple cider vinegar right here. What you need to do is to give the apple cider vinegar a good shake, because the apple cider vinegar always settle at the bottom. There's a new brand bottle which I just brought. All I'm going to do is to use my teaspoon, and I'm going to pop 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar inside of my jug like this. Give it a lovely mix. Once you do that, make sure you cover back your apple cider vinegar and put it away. You can either use lemon or lime, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put a few slices inside of it. So basically I'm going to put 3 slices, because remember the apple cider vinegar is a little bit strong. So I'm going to pop 3 slices of lemon inside of the water. And all you're going to do is to drink this right straight through the day. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or right straight through the day, guys. I'm just introducing you to one of my simple weight loss drinks to get rid of your belly fat and your if you want a flat tummy. This is really good for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. As I said, please do your own research. You can go on Google and type in what apple cider vinegar is good for. If you're taking certain kind of medication, you need to do your own research, guys. Please do your own research before you go and make and say Chef Ricardo say you can do this, you can do that. Apple cider vinegar do work. Everyone's body is different. It works for me. I don't know if it will work for you. But anyway, give it a try. Leave your comments below. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. My name is Chef Ricardo. Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. One love from...